Wow, what is that? It's glowing. An island. Rainbow Island. Let's find it. This adventure feels exciting. We can do it together. Oh no, the bridge is broken.
Let's find another way.
You're doing great! This log is heavy. I'm a little scared, Bao. I'll help you. Bunny! A bear!
Be very quiet.
Achoo!
Oh, hello, little travelers.
Rainbow Island is that way.
Thank you, Bear. Bye. This mountain is huge. We're almost there. Are you looking for Rainbow Island? Yes. Left, right, up, left, right, up, up. This is fun. It'll dark inside. Stay close to me. Wow, beautiful crystals. This place feels magical. Did you see that? Something is here. My backpack. He likes your bag. Thank you, Monkey. He helped us. The weather changed. Quick, run! The rain is so strong. Look, a lighthouse. I don't like storms. You're safe here. That rabbit looks silly. You smiled again. The storm is over. Let's continue our adventure. We found it.
It's beautiful.
But how do we cross? They want to help us. This is amazing. They're so friendly. Why is everything gray? Something is wrong here. The crystal lost its power. Maybe we can fix it. The first stone.
The first stone. Let's find it.
It's very hot here. There it is. Almost there. Be careful. We got it. Wow, it's working. I can see it. Let's go behind the water. Huh? The frogs are cute. Second stone complete. Oh, what made that sound? Oh, something is moving. Hello, travelers. You scared us. The green stone is above. Oh, don't fall. I got it. It's beautiful. The last stone. Ready? Together! Together! Wow! It worked! The island is alive again! We saved it! They came back!
They're thanking us.
I don't want to leave.
We'll always remember this place.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye, everyone. This was the best adventure. I agree. Do you think magic is real? Maybe. Ah, Bunny, look. Ah, another adventure? What words did we learn today? Bridge, river, crystal, dolphin. Let's go on an adventure together. Yay! Thanks for watching. See you next adventure. Bye.